So guys, this is a Pythagoras theory, and this is the right angled triangle. So in this case, we are asked to find the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of a right angled triangle. This is what they call the angle 90. So any angle that looks this way is called the right angled triangle. So what to do is to take this number. This is a 8 cm. So we are going to raise this to power 2, like 8 times 8. So this is 8. 8 times 8. We have sorted this one, then plus. This is 9. 9 times 9. So as you can see, there is 2 9, there is 2 8. We are raising it to power 2. So 8 times 8 is a 64. Plus 9 times 9 is 81. Then you add it together. You add it with your calculator or use your head to solve it. You are going to get 145. You are going to get 145. But this is not the final answer. So we are going to find the square root of this number. We find the square root. So you go to your calculator and then you look for the square root of 145. So you press, this is the symbol of square root. See the symbol of square root. So you take this 145 and you put it here. And this case now, you press your calculator. You are going to press this in your calculator, square root of 145. And it's going to give you 12.04 answer. So as you can see, 12 is larger than 8 cm and 9 cm. So the longest side is always going to be longer than the other side. So let's imagine that you got 7 cm here now. You know that you failed the answer. Any answer you're going to get here will be larger than 8 cm and 9 cm. So all you have to do is 8 times 8, 9 times 9, add it together, find the square root, and you get your answer. So guys, this is example 2. And here we are asked to find the hypotenuse, the longest side of this right angled triangle. So all you have to do is, this is 8 cm. So we just write 8 times 8. As you can see on the board, 8 times 8. Then you put plus. We are using plus because we are looking for the largest side. Always have this at the back of your mind. We are using this plus because we are looking for the largest or the longest side. So this is plus. Then you come to this number. Here is a 5. So you write it 5 times 5. 5 here is 2. 8 here is 2. So you now check 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 5 times 5 is 25. Then use your calculator to add it together. 64 plus 25, we have 89. So it's going to give you 89. But this is not the final answer because we still have to find the square root. So we come to this place now, and then this is the symbol of square root. You can see it on your calculator. So here now we write 89. So go to your calculator and check what the square root of 89 is. So you now press square root of 89 will give you equals to 9.43 cm. Let's put the cm. So as you can see, this is 8 times 8, this is 5 times 5. Add it together to get 89, then you find the square root. Step 1, add. Then step 2, you find the square root. So just add them together and then find the square root, and you get your final answer. So guys, this is example 3, and here we have a different number. Here we have 7 cm and we have 4 cm. So let's remember the step 1, which is to add. So here we have 7 here, so we just write 7 times 7. Are you following? Just write 7 times 7. Then plus, we are using plus because we are finding the longest side. Then plus, you come to this part, we have 4, so you are going to write it 4 times 4. So after that, you come here, times 7 times 7 is 49, plus 4 times 4 is 16. We are done with step 1. Then the next one is to add them together. 49 plus 16 will give you 65. 65. So, but this is not the final answer. We still need to find the square root of 65. So, this is the symbol of square root. So, take this 65 and write it inside here. Then you go to your calculator and then you type the square root of 65. So if you write the square root of 65, this is what you're going to get: 8.06. So as you can see now, this is the final answer.